January 26th, 2016, the last Friday for this month, when we say all of us don't look say yes. So after January don't pass, make we see as the year go the roll small. My name is Ezugu Chukwuode, and I say welcome to the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV, and this now as it hot when we say every weekday from 10 to 11 we go carry all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them do anything be you for body, so that those when they lead us go do the right thing and move this our country forward. I know they're alone inside studio as usual. I deal with my brother when sabi well as it take concern any politic matter.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to the Asekwa edition of our Bunga program. As it is hot, that political program where they at least giving all the up-to-date information about politics for Nigeria and other related issues. Today we'll not go different. What we go do that? Just giving all the updates on what we will talk about. From Monday reach and yesterday we Thursday, so that those of now we no even get chance to say now one contribute, at least we now go feel contribute chukma, so that collectively we go feel know as we take do it, move this country forward. We also get 3 solid telephone lines for us, so that at least and now if you call anyone of their choice, we also can get toll-free line. That time we say now go call, now go talk, now go express ourselves. But when it comes to the payment, may I leave that one for us. My name is Teacher, my name is Unkubi. And this now as is a hot.
Make we carry all of the action to the way we discuss from Monday. Drop down, make everybody get the license to chook mouth inside. We go start with Monday and all of the action to the way we carry come. Everybody knows say on Monday, we they talk and say we they do the tier rubber edition. Sake of say Friday when pass, we go lock shop, carry key go, but our ear go day ground. So that all of the action to the way happen inside the Obodo Nigeria, we go get the information, come serve them as see the hot. Make everybody know say now like this the thing they go for inside our Obodo Nigeria. And that Monday we start with the PDP leadership crisis season 2. And that one are because of say that Sunday went past before the Monday, and some kind of senior men when they inside PDP when call themselves the PDP rescue group. They talk say Ambassador Idris Juta, one-time ambassador of Nigeria, and they also talk say Adolphus Wabara, one-time Senate president of Nigeria, and some other elderly people. Then come together talk say they don't look what they happen inside the People's Democratic Party as it get to do with the emergence of Ali Modu Sharif as the chairman of the party, and they talk say time don't reach for them to just bow out with respect. Medicine no cause further crisis inside the political party. Plenty people for Nigeria they watch this situation keenly because they talk say it go good make we get opposition when they're strong for this Nigeria, so that this opposition will tell us say now there be better alternative to waiting government they do. Because if we call the get situation when we say the major opposition, it be like say Kurukere Makado enter inside their movement and Wahala go there inside our country, and the fear of Nigeria becoming a one-party state. From that one we enter inside the Benue senatorial rerun, and we confirm say the senator when we say he don't dare there for a very long time, he not on veteran. If he be striker, they go compare to Rashidi Yekini. Senator David Mark say after court nullify the election when carry am enter inside Senate, they can't do another one, and INEC conduct the election and he win a fiercest rival for that particular election, and he don't go back into the House of Senate. Even though the person when we say in contest, we don't talk say we go challenge him because he don't believe say the election they free and fair. We they encourage our politician people say if you are not happy the way when election result they go, make una enter inside court rather than make the thing they cause fight or bad belly inside our society. From that one we enter the one when we say Oga Yodele Fayose talk when he tell our Oga President say our naira they use walking stick, and therefore Oga President instead of making the travel up and down like pikin when no go holiday when he's small, he go they good making come back inside this country wear recommended glass, look the economy of Nigeria, make them see as then go do am. He mentions some other strong things when we say people talk say na allegation, and therefore based on saying allegation we go just leave am like that, but he don't identify the problem with the economy, and he talk say make Oga President based on the office when him dey make him do something sharp. We can carry 2 other stories wey get to do with the condition of children inside internally displaced persons camps. As report come and say 450 children then die for 28 internally displaced persons camps for Borno State inside 2015 based on malnutrition. That is to say the children they don't see better food chop. They can't even talk say if they even see food chop, food when we say old people they chop, then they give small pikin, and we know say small pikin system different from old man own. He suppose they chop food when we say go allow for them to grow well based on saying be small pikin. We can't top that one up with the case between Tompolo and the EFCC. Oga Tompolo don't come out, enter court, even though he no come out, now lawyers come out. they go court, ask the court, say, that law when they put down, say, make them seize in property, say, make the court come and talk, say, the thing no work, because of, say, no be he do anything. And as he not talk, I'm say, he need court where we say, you know, go be like, say, wuru dey inside the system, now he go make and come out, come answer all the questions when they give him. This one, now all the stories where we carry come from weekend, when we discuss on Monday, be that.
Yes, and from them, we could enter straight to Tuesday, where our own amiable Nobel laureate, that is Professor Wole Soyinka, where he carry leg, go meet the Honorable Minister of Information and Culture, that is Alhaji Lai Mohammed, onto say the situation of this country don't call for, they call for serious attention. He can't say, look, at this stage of our economy, at this stage of our dwindling challenges, say time don't reach where the government will need to do it. We need to call for an emergency economic summit. What to be economic summit? So that they go quickly look into the situation, know how they find quick solution to them. A lot of people come talk say, look, say the issue of summits. Now these things we supposed on they address these things since. Say not be even today. Say, but the fact say the prof himself carry waka go do it, go meet the honorable minister. Say now a very laudable one. Say at least make we even hear whether at least with this move whether the government go feel quickly find solution to the economic challenges where they get right now. So at least the over dependence on oil, at least we go do it. We go gradually come on mind from there. They find other ways we will do it. We will generate money for ourselves.
On Wednesday, 24th of February, we discuss one particular issue when we say everybody inside of Nigeria, then they talk about. This one get to do with the hashtag when we say don't become very, very popular. Buy Naija to grow the Naira. Make we break down and make everybody get clear picture of what we discuss. Some weeks back, our senators, they enter inside one fair when they do for inside Abuja. They call it the Made in Aba fair. That is to say, all the materials when they on display, and for Aba, now they do them. That is to say, now made in Nigeria something. And from that period, one of our senators, when they represent the people for Bayelsa State, Senator Ben Modebruce, come out with the hashtag say, buy Naija to grow the Naira. That is to say, if we spend our money inside Nigeria, rather than say we dey spend money on foreign things when they import, say our Naira go begin to grow strong. We can't get one young man, the Oga Patapata of Faji Hub, when we say, he write one article when they paste on top of Sahara Reporters, and plenty Nigerians read them, come they comment on what he talk. He come out, come talk, say, we must stop to play lip service to all this talk about buy Naija to grow the Naira. Because of say, if you place things when they make in Nigeria, you can't place things when they make from foreign land or when they import come inside this country. If you get the money to buy the one wey get quality, say na the one wey come from foreign land, now you go buy based on say the quality they very, very different. In context, say we get Standard Organization of Nigeria, we get NAFDAC and so many other agencies like that. Say Nigerians then they ingenious, that is to say Nigerians they fit sit back, they fit think, they fit do some kind of things, but it go they very, very important. Make it not be saying na just sentiment or out of patriotic favor we go they buy things we no get quality. In give example of some products when we say over the past 5 years they don't send them out from Nigeria go other countries. When we say those other country people look and finish, they don't say we don't want, keep it. He give example of bag of beans when we say every family for this country they chop. Now I say he get one when we say they send out of this country, now stone full am, they go send them back. We go they ask say not be until we they send things come up for this country before we chook eye on top. The ones when we say Nigerians go chop for inside this country, make we make sure say we do them well. He can also talk about industries. Say go good make we get industries so that all the materials when they use they produce all these kind of things we go they get them for this country. We not go talk say we they grow tomato, onions, corn for inside Nigeria. Meanwhile the fertilizer we go use make and grow, we go still import and come from outside. It is what Oyibo people call penny wise, pound foolish. We see they check this discussion they go, and Nigerians see they comment on top. And you self go chook mouth inside to talk and do the way anything be for body today as it hard.
From there we can enter straight to what we talk about yesterday. 2016 budget padding, very embarrassing and disappointing. Who they talk this one? Now the president himself, President Muhammad Buhari, in the talk this one for when he meet with Nigerian community for Saudi Arabia, where he carry visit go. He say, look, say in fact this issue they very, very disappointing for a big country like Nigeria. Say where the issue of padding come from? When people don't even do it, they don't do their own assignment finish. Don't assign now this money we go spend for this particular ministry. And then when they get the idea of say then they pad them budget. People can come and talk say look, hey, the issue of say you they talk say padding, say you go fight, you go address this matter immediately you come back. Not be today we begin to hear and say look, after all in the first first place, no be you even take time, say you needed time to appoint ministers, say you don't appoint ministers, say the kind challenges where would they get over budget matter, where we say government at this point in time suppose don't do it, suppose don't they even move, make we know where would they head to. But with all this drama how they play out, we don't even know where would they head to. Some people come talk, say, look, it is a good thing to do it, start uncovering waiting the some of our ministers they do, or the people they uncover. Say if now waiting they do in the past administrations, say then they somehow part budget, we don't go hear about that. Say it is a very laudable approach. Say yes, so the president himself at least uncover this one, talk, say look, he go really find solution and make sure say people who they involved go at least go suffer them. Now, what thing we talk about yesterday will be Thursday with that.
Una don't hear all our stories them from Monday go reach Thursday. But we dey add one catch to them. We dey tell una say on Fridays, after we do the jollof edition, that is we join everything together, we go put small chops, that is to say, some of the stories when we say the currents for inside our Obodo Nigeria, we go drop and make everybody just chook mouth inside this one. And it gets one interesting one, although we never confirm this particular gist, but it go good make we talk am because the information not dey spread round. And they talk say the Independent National Electoral Commission don't come out, come announce the date for elections for inside Ondo State and Edo State. Everybody go remember inside the Obodo Nigeria say, because of the way when we say some kind court case go, we dey get staggered elections. That is to say, election no dey happen every time at the same time for Nigeria. Two very good examples na wetin go happen for Edo and Ondo States today. And INEC come out according to some information when come out on social media, say they announce September 10th and November 26th as the dates when we say they go do the election. Plenty Nigerians come and talk say we dey very very happy. Say INEC from February don announce date when they go do election, but we must begin to dey prepare because election are the process when we say we go choose those when we say they go represent us to for inside government to do things when go make this our country well. So it go dey very very good make the process dey open, free and fair, make Nigerians understand the way things go dey. People can't draw here give political parties say time don reach for them to begin dey educate people, not be to dey campaign o, because our laws no gree make dem start before a particular period of time, but make dem begin dey educate people say okay o, time don reach for election, na your hand the day, make you come out, make you no fight, make you exercise your right to vote for who you want, make you vote for you, and this country go move forward. From that particular one, we go top am up with one very unfortunate story wey happen for Adamawa State yesterday. And they talk say for the police anti-bomb squad for inside Adamawa State, they talk say e get some kind bomb wey be say dem recover from Boko Haram Jaguda people. As they recover this bomb from Boko Haram Jaguda people, they come carry and go the office of the police anti-bomb squad for Jimeta when they for inside Adamawa State. And they talk say for inside that place now, somehow the thing can go off, and 4 policemen can die for this particular sad incident. And plenty Nigerians can come and talk say now one thing for our police people to go where Boko Haram Jaguda people don't plant bomb, come carry the bomb come on. That one to show say they do their work and Nigerians they very very safe. But it go they very very good make it be say where they carry the bomb go, if not to go defuse them for that place, they go do them themselves go they safe because police self they be human being. We know say that they do their work to protect us, but it go good make them get everything when we say they need to use do this one. So when they talk say make this our police officers when we say they put their life on the line to safeguard our territorial integrity and the corporate existence of Nigeria, make them rest in peace and make God give their family people comfort. And it go good make government do wetin dey very very right to use ensure say these people when we say in service to Nigerians, in service to our lives and our safety, government they take good care of them, make wahala no dey happen inside Obodo Nigeria.
Yes, make wahala no dey happen. Anyway, na a very good move. See at least say we dey see the result of our police people. At least this one to at least give us that confidence. Say yes, we get people who go fit dey rely on. Say yes, then they carry out their work effectively. And then Nigerians at the same time go also say okay for this one when I do at least they will come out car for now because now to do it now to at least avoid say people die for at least as a result of that bomb way now uncover. That part of it you talk about Chukwudi. We don't present these issues, and right about now we go open our phone line so at least our viewers go do it in go feel they contribute immediately or to the issues where we don't put down so at least we go feel know it we go feel know us we go take address some at least make people the right people they hear us go feel hear us all in the vein of at least moving the country forward. Chukwudi, just as you don't raise now, you make we first address the issue of say okay the immediate call for an economic summit way and the prof prof mentioned. He goes to say yes, the time don't really come for us we don't even talk this over time and say, okay, make we find way we go take do it, make we go take address our economy, make we find way we go take address our economy. Just blast now, just lip services we they give to this talk. Okay, if he go take the prof himself to come out, say okay, blast the time don't reach, make we address this thing because unto say waiting, unto say people don't they come up for this thing for long, and we can't get a government to be say right about now. They not get waiting one major this way they rely on. Say okay, now here money they come from like the typical oil where they rely on. At least right about now we don't see that gradual move because a couple of people don't talk say look we don't see some gradual move. At least for the president himself to also talk say look say we they move totally into agriculture. He said this in Saudi Arabia. Say we they move totally into agriculture. Now to tell you say yes, at least we don't get a particular target where would they face as they say okay see where our primary area where would they face where we want channel our resources to, but the move right now we say the level of commitment we're going to need to apply into this thing. If presidents they talk as the president of the country, okay, make we also ask our governors them waiting with their own various plans. You understand, because if the presidents they represent the federal parastatals, they represent the federal platform, make we also ask our governors waiting with their own this thing, waiting with their own means. At least you also get areas where you go feel say yes, you focus on so that at least you go feel they take and generate money rather than of course if agriculture eventually come up, we no go say we no go expect make the state come they fall back on the federal to come they collect money from waiting they generate from agriculture. I think you go also need to create your own avenue of generating more money so that largely we go feed at least well balance things. We get them Nnamdi they call us from Enugu. Good morning, Oga Nnamdi. Nnamdi, good morning. Nnamdi, they there?
If like say Oga Nnamdi don't come up for the call. We suppose get Oga Igo all the way from Abuja standing by. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Oga Igo, this is how your voice is like this.
What is that? The system of Nigeria, they affect everybody now. What do we go do? Oga Okubi, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you to Oga Igo.
Apart from evil agriculture self, where you talk of say it go generate money for this country, the oil that they go down. What about the steel company? Do you believe that over, let me say, steel companies where they for Nigeria, they stopped work since Obasanjo regime? It's about almost go and find out almost about 8 years. The steel company not they produce. Do you believe say if they produce steel? All those rolling me iron horse, they carry out from this country, they go, you know how much they generate for this country. The Delta Steel Company where they for worry, you go see employ more than 4,000 workers if they work. They talk about the ones where they for Ajekuta, the ones where they do some for Just imagine, they get me. They also the issue of this bomb where they collect from they want diffuse them. Why you go want diffuse? You want diffuse bomb? Why you go carry come police station for diffuse? That are lack of experience. You not see someone. You not see civilian now. Maybe they rob for place. They call rob thing. They call throw gun for ground. You now like Chukudi, you go carry the gun, carry go keep for your house. You go feel that kind of. If
no
you
possible.
Know say you not get, if you know say you not get the equipment, you not get the experience to defuse the bomb, carry the bomb go throw inside water, carry and go put inside river, when treasure the water, make it blow there. That to call innocent people. When they say, now maybe somebody don't go work now, while they start to come back, they will come back. When they say we know say they take care of their way, see that a lack of experience. No, we pray for this Nigeria, make this Nigeria move forward. Now, thank you very much.
Thank you
very much for this your important contribution. You don't identify one major problem when we say we dey face. It go dey very very good. Like you don't talk, make we point them out. Say our police people or those when we say na their work to carry bomb, come dismantle the whole thing, make it be say you know fit cause plenty problem. Then they try their best, but it go good make them also dey very very safe as then they do this particular work. So that the thing no go come turn to another problem on top of their hand. Because if you dey do something when we say go make people safe and you can't put yourself in the line of danger, it go dey somehow. But I know say they go conduct thorough investigation and they go come out with with a special report as it get to do with that particular issue, so that we go know exactly what happened for that particular incident, make it not happen again. Quickly, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion of all of the action story when we discuss for inside news for this week when pass. So no go anywhere. Now Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV, and this now as it hot. We come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.